are you from and what is your name?
I'm from Uganda and I'm Lena Kagere.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
What are you going to be performing for us today?
I'm going to sing One Day at a Time.
Is that your favorite song?
Yes.
It is, hey? Go ahead and sing for us.
I'm only human. I'm just a girl. Help me believe in what I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway that I had to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Lord, help me today, show me the way. One day at a
Lena. Oh, mommy, can you please stay here? Lena, that was beyond exceptional. It was exquisite. You have not only a beautiful daughter, you have a beautiful soul, and she can absolutely sing. Well done to you.
What poise, what confidence, what skill, what control at 7 years old.
Don't you get nervous performing in front of so many people?
No.